Okay, food science, I'm going to go over the instructions for this particular activity in case you're struggling to understand the written directions. If you're not, that's awesome, but if you are, this will hopefully help clear things up. So if we look at our directions for challenge 1, it says click on challenge 1 and then click start. So I click on challenge 1. This blender is going to go because that's how you make the indicator, and it will continue to make blending noises until you click start. So get on that right away. Okay, if we look at our directions, it says click on the pitcher of cabbage juice and drag towards one of the 3 drinks. The spout of the cabbage juice needs to be touching the name of the liquid. The cabbage juice will pour into a beaker and may or may not change color. So I'm going to go back to my simulation here. I want to find this little pitcher of cabbage juice, and I'm going to drag it over so that the spout is touching the words. If you don't drag it over so that the spout is touching the words, it will continue to go back to the start and be very annoying. It took me a long time to figure that out. What you can see here happened is this beaker that turned pink represents a mixture of cabbage juice and this particular carafe or container of lemon juice mixed together, and it's pink. So what you're going to do is you're going to repeat that for all of these. Now I'm going to drag this over, and if you see I don't put the spout there, I guess I did that one a little bit wrong. So you're going to repeat all 3 of those, and then at some point you are going to drag the carafes above into the correct area and decide which one is acid, base, or neutral. Okay. You need to fill in. So if you look at step 5, it says decide whether the drinks are acidic, basic, or neutral. Then place the drinks onto the correct shelf above the alien's head. When you do that, towards the bottom, a lever is going to show up, and then you need to pull on that lever, and then you will confirm that you got them right. Okay. In the meantime, you are going to fill out the particular data table that is in part 1. So if you look, it says lemon juice. The color it turned in the beaker was pink, and it is an acid based on our experiences. Okay. So that's what we're going to kind of be doing. So the first idea, the first part, is to test to see if you understand what the different colors mean. Then, after you pull the lever that says check me and you get it right, there will be a little button that shows up that says test more. And when you test more, this is going to come up here. So it is up to you. If you feel like you can do this part here without adding the colors for the cabbage juice, you go ahead. If you feel like you can't do it, then add the cabbage juice. So I could go like this to the distilled water, add the cabbage juice, and it's going to kind of show me the different colors. But if you think you figured it out, what you need to do is take these and you're going to add them to either the acid, the neutrals, or the bases, depending on what color that is showing. Okay. So in this case, it says that the purple is neutral. I'm going to slide that over there. And you are going to put all of these here. You have to get all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different carafes of liquid into the correct place before you can move on to the second part. Okay. So what you need to do then is once you decide what is what, you're going to fill those into the data table. Acids in one column, neutrals in another, bases in another. Make sure that you write those down before you click check me on the lever, because if you get it right, it will wipe them out and then you will not have that and you'll have to do it over. So if I check that, it says so far, but I'm not done. Okay, so those are the first 2 parts. Hopefully that kind of clears some stuff up. And if you're having any problems, shoot me an email or come to me